Hey everybody, it's Gary Evans at Evans Realty. Remember, your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Wanted to let you know it is free report Friday. So today we have an industry report on legal mistakes to avoid when you're purchasing a home. There's 3 critical things that you should know that can really be a trap for you when you're purchasing a home. So we have our free report. All you have to do is reach out to us, give me a call, 832-721-0442. We'll get you this report out right away. It's free, there's no cost, and you need to know these 3 critical things to know so that you avoid legal mistakes when purchasing a home. We thank you for watching this, and we hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks. Talk to you soon.